Welcome, in front of me is DELL Precision 5520, and in this video I will show you how to check battery health on this laptop. First, use the combination of Windows R to open the Run menu. In this field, input CMD like this and press Enter. This will open the command prompt, and here you'll have to input powercfg spacebar / battery report, and once you're ready, press Enter. You'll see this path over here. Select it up to this point, then right click on it to copy, then go into File Explorer, open the path field and press Ctrl V to paste the path and press Enter, and this will open the battery report. We'll see a lot of information about the battery, the recent usage, the usage level, etc. But the main thing that interests us is the design capacity compared to full charge capacity. The design capacity is the original capacity of the battery, so it's basically the maximum level to which this battery can be charged, and this is the current maximum level to which our battery can be charged. So as you can see, our battery has been worn over time, so it's about 80% of the original capacity right now. So if it goes even lower, then maybe it will be a good time to replace the battery with a new one. And that's basically how you check the battery health on your laptop. So I think that's all for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.